Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is virtual assistant. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is virtual assistant? Virtual assistants provides administrative services to companies and clients remotely. This is a great career option that offers flexibility and variety in a number of industries. Virtual assistants enjoy the independence of remote freelance work, which often provides opportunities for entry-level employees. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is virtual assistant is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.